Now that you know what the sequence is, let's find out how we can use it with markets. So the Fibonacci sequence goes to infinity, and as it approaches infinity, the growth rate is going to be 1.618%. And this is going to be the base for all of our ratios. It's known as the golden ratio. So from there, from the 1.618%, what we can do is find 0.618, which is 1.618 minus 1. And from there, we can derive everything else in our Fibonacci percentages. So let's start at the top. 0.382, or 38.2%, is going to equal 6.18 squared. 0.5, or 50%, is going to be found by dividing the second number in the sequence by the third. So dividing 2 by 1. 0.618 is going to be equal to 1.618 minus 1. And 0.786, or 78.6%, is going to be equal to the square root of 0.618. 1 is going to be equal to 1.618 minus 0.618. And 1.272 is equal to the square root of 1.618. 2.62, or 262%, is going to be equal to 1.618 squared. And 4.23, or 423%, is going to be equal to 1.618 cubed. So knowing all of these, we can go in and we can see the different levels at which our Fibonacci percentages are going to be. And you'll see this when we go and apply them to the markets. I'm going to tell you now that the most important numbers for the Fibonacci percentages are 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, 1.272, and 1.618. Those are the ones that you're going to want to remember and that we're going to focus on the most. So let's go on to the next section where I'm going to go over the basics of Fibonacci price tools.